As a contractor builder in the greater Cape Coral area, here are 4 reasons you should choose Good Deals Appliances of Cape Coral for all of your appliance needs. First is price. Good Deals of Cape Coral cannot and will not be beat on price. Period. With the purchasing power afforded us by our nationwide buying group, you simply can't get a better price on Whirlpool, Maytag, JennAir, KitchenAid, Electrolux, Frigidaire, or any of the quality manufacturers we carry. Small budget or large, we have the right appliances at the right price. Second is ease of purchase. We know you have a hectic schedule, so we make buying from us as easy and hassle-free as possible. Give us the specs, give us a budget, and we'll do the rest. Third is delivery and installation. At Good Deals Appliances of Cape Coral, we have our own in-house delivery and installation personnel. You won't be handed over to a third-party delivery company that may or may not show up on time or do the installation properly. We sell it, we deliver it, we install it, and that means you deal with one company from start to finish. And fourth is our service. If there's a need or question that arises, we deal with it quickly, efficiently, and professionally. We want to earn your business and keep your business for years to come. And one of the ways we do that is with our customer service, before, during, and after each and every sale. So there you have it. Price, ease of purchase, delivery and installation, and service. 4 reasons you should choose Good Deals Appliances of Cape Coral. Let us prove to you that we're the only appliance dealer you'll ever need.